Hello, welcome to Stafford Land Rover, and today I'm going to show you around this stunning Range Rover Sport in Indus Silver. This car is next due for a service in November 2021 and has previously had only one owner. It's a 4.4 V8 diesel. As you can see, you have privacy glass, 22-inch alloys with red brake calipers, an electrically deployable tow bar. You also have a powered tailgate. Going into the boot, you have plenty of space there for personal items such as golf clubs or pushchairs. There's your button for the electrically deployable tow bar. And you can close the boot either using that button or the one on your key again, which is really handy if you have your hands full. Carrying on round the car and going into the back, you have rear seat entertainment, which is perfect for keeping passengers entertained, along with the ISOFIX brackets, ideal for families. So here's your rear seat entertainment, which can be controlled using this remote. You have media, and going back, you can also control your seat being heated and what temperature. Navigation, you can see where you're going and how far from your destination you are. You also have headsets which come with each TV. And going into the front, you have keyless entry. Therefore, if you lock the car, I can open it just by pulling the handle as long as the key's nearby. Range Rover script tread plates and a lovely leather interior, which is definitely easier to clean. A sliding panoramic roof, which is great to let some more air in or on a really nice sunny day like today. And you can close it using the same button. Fridge compartment, which is handy if you go on long journeys and want to keep refreshments cold. Touchscreen with different functions including Apple CarPlay and Android Auto to connect to your phone. You can control the rear seat entertainment from the front as well. Eco data, which tells you how well the car has been driven, for example if you're braking too hard. And valet mode, so you can lock the screen so a valeter can only access your climate control. Ambient lighting with several different colours to choose from, which looks cool especially in the dark. Various different driving modes depending on where you are driving or the weather, including comfort, grass, gravel and snow, eco, sand and mud ruts, and you can also see it on your screen there. Heated and cooled front seats, which is ideal for winter and summer, and you can also control the seats that are in the back. The fronts are also memory, which is handy if there's several people in and out of the car. A Meridian sound system, which just makes each journey that little bit more enjoyable. A heated steering wheel along with a speed limiter, lane departure warning and blind spot monitor, making driving along the motorway safer and easier. This car has done 7,938 miles. And you also have a rear view camera, making parking and reversing a lot easier. Stepping back outside of the vehicle, that was a gorgeous Range Rover Sport. If you're interested in this car, please call 01785 211 31. Thank you.